Okay, so you're going to click on the link that I'm going to provide for you, or that I have provided for you. It's going to open this screen up right here, and you're going to click Create Account. And when you do, um, let's put in, I'm not sure. Wait, what is his A? I think that's it. I don't know. Okay, phone number. So you just create an account right here, and that's it. We don't want that one, so then create an account. All right, so now he has this account that's created, and now you can just hit log in. Okay, and now it says hi Aaron on there. And then to get your own personal code that you're going to be using, you're going to click right here, and it'll tell you that you have achieved 0% of your goal. You haven't sold any out of 19 that you're required to sell. And then this is your link right here that you're going to use. So if you just hit copy, now you can go and paste this into your emails, or you can paste it into social media. And then as we continue to sell, you'll see that this should go up. The line should go up as you sell. So you're going to copy that link and give it to all of your customers, and then they'll be able to shop. And when if you need some social media tips, you can click here and it will give you some things that you can put on social media. Like, I'm selling Little Caesar pizza kits for our school store, The Hideaway, or for Class Congress, etc. And then you can just kind of fill in the blanks and delete and create your own. You don't have to use that one. It's just there if you want to use it. Okay, so I copied that particular link. So now let's see what happens when I check into my own email, or even this. Let's see what happens when I paste it in here. Paste and go, and it should take me to his shopping page. So now this is what the shopping page will look like. All right, so here it'll say Little Caesars, and then what your people need to do is they just need to go into the shopping area. He hasn't sold any of his pizza kits yet, and you can click Start Shopping. You want to tell all your customers to share your link, so they just click right here, and you notice it copies it. So now they can share it on their social media as well. And then to start shopping, you just click that button there. You can see we have the pepperoni pizza kits. We have the cheese. Crazy Bread sells with just about anything, as does the Italian cheese bread, because even if people don't really like pizza or want the pizza, you can always tell them, buying the Italian cheese bread or the Crazy Bread, it goes with a lot of the fall and winter type foods, so like chili and soups and pastas and so on. So a lot of times people will buy just the cheese breads and things like that, or they'll get a pizza and a cheese bread. We have the personal combo here, and then we also have the thin crust, which is one of my favorites. You just want, that's all there is to sell, is just these 6 items. And if people ask, well, where are the cookies or where is this? You want to just tell them, due to COVID, they have a limited menu, just like many restaurants and fast food places have now. So these are the items that they're going to choose from. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's say I want this Italian cheese bread. You can see up here, I'll throw this in the cart too. All right, so you can tell that now I have 2 items in here, and I'm going to click on the account. You'll see that now there's 2 pizza kits going into progress right here, and this one is being sold for the class of 21 to help with their senior prom and their senior banquet. And you can see both items are in there. One Italian cheese bread, one thin crust, comes out to $40.98, but there's two packs in each box. And then the standard shipping is $6.99 for both of them. That's really good, because in the past years it's cost $15 to have one box shipped. It'll be delivered by FedEx. It can ship anywhere in the United States. and they should receive it 3 days after their order approximately. Okay, so then you'll see that the total is here and they'll proceed to the checkout. So that's all there is to it. And I don't know. Hopefully, you guys can get started selling right away. Be sure to post it out on everything. If you're in class Congress, we really need to push this as hard as we can so that we can make some money for the seniors for senior prom and senior banquet. And we have a separate account that's going on for all of my marketing and entrepreneur and business communications and technology people. All of that money that's being raised is going towards reopening the school store, the Hideaway. Our students will be working in there and trying to provide the best possible options for Titan gear, senior gear, school supplies, food, drinks, etc. And in order to do that, we need to buy inventory. So that's why we're selling this. I thought about it, and I will give 1 extra credit point for every kit that is sold. I set up to 15, I'll go up to 20. So if you sell 1 item, you get 1 point. If you get 2 points, 10 points. 10 pizza kits, you get 10 points, and so on. So that if you think about it, the assignments are only 4 points. So, well, some of the assignments are 4 points. This will really help your grade. You can also use it on a quiz. So please try to help us sell, and this will improve your grade as well for anything that you may have struggled on in the beginning of using Schoology. All right, guys, I really appreciate all your help. Best of luck. If you need me, let me know. We'll talk on Tuesday, or you can send me an email. All right, have a great weekend.